Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a magical topic that many dream of, visiting Disney World. But let's face it, a trip to Disney can get pretty pricey. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing my top tips for experiencing Disney World on a budget. From planning your trip to saving on food, tickets, and accommodations, you'll learn how to enjoy all the magic without breaking the bank. So let's jump right in. Planning your visit. Choose the right time. The first step in planning a budget-friendly trip to Disney World is timing. Peak seasons like summer, holidays, and spring break can lead to higher prices and larger crowds. Instead, consider visiting during the off-peak seasons, such as late January to early February or September to mid-November. During these times, ticket prices are often lower, and you can enjoy shorter lines at the parks. Utilize Disney's free resources. Disney offers a wealth of free resources to help you plan your trip. Check out the official Disney World website for park hours, special events, and crowd calendars. Additionally, consider joining Disney fan groups online for insider tips and recommendations. Finding affordable tickets. Buy in advance. Purchasing your tickets in advance is one of the easiest ways to save money. Disney often offers discounts for multi-day passes. If you know you'll be visiting more than one park, consider buying a park hopper pass to save on individual day tickets. Look for discounts. Keep an eye out for discounts. Websites like Undercover Tourist or discount ticket retailers may offer lower prices on Disney tickets. Additionally, if you're a member of AAA or certain military organizations, you may be eligible for exclusive discounts. Budget-friendly accommodations. Stay off-site. While staying on Disney property is convenient, it can also be quite expensive. Consider off-site hotels or vacation rentals that are just a short drive or shuttle ride from the parks. Websites like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com offer budget-friendly options. Look for hotel packages. If you prefer staying on site, look for special hotel packages or promotions. Disney often offers discounts for hotel stays during the off-peak seasons. Sign up for the Disney newsletter to stay updated on current offers. Dining on a budget. Well, here are some tips. First up, pack your own meals. One of the best ways to save money at Disney is to bring your own food. Disney allows guests to bring snacks and meals into the parks, which can significantly cut down on your food expenses. So, pack sandwiches, fruit, and granola bars to keep your energy up throughout the day. If you prefer to eat at the parks, opt for quick-service dining. Quick-service restaurants are typically more affordable and still offer delicious meals. Look for meal deals or combo meals to save even more. And hey, don't forget to share meals. Portion sizes at Disney can be generous. Consider sharing meals with family or friends to save money while still enjoying a variety of dishes. This is especially great for kids' meals, which are often large enough for two. Now, let's talk about free and low-cost activities. Enjoy free attractions. While some attractions require paid access, there are plenty of free activities to enjoy. Take time to explore the different themed areas, watch parades, and enjoy the nightly fireworks show. Many of these experiences are included with your park admission. You can also visit Disney Springs. Disney Springs is a shopping, dining, and entertainment district that doesn't require a ticket. Stroll through the vibrant shops, enjoy live music, or relax by the water. This area is perfect for a low-cost afternoon. And don't forget to utilize free transportation. Disney offers complimentary transportation options between parks and hotels, including buses, boats, and monorails. Take advantage of this service to save on transportation costs and enjoy the unique experience of traveling through Disney's transportation system. Alright, let's talk about budgeting for souvenirs. First, set a souvenir budget. Before you go, set a specific budget for souvenirs. Consider purchasing items like pins or small toys that can serve as memorable keepsakes without costing a fortune. And here's a tip: shop at local stores. Instead of buying souvenirs in the parks, consider shopping at nearby stores or outlets. Many times, you can find Disney merchandise at a lower price outside the park. And there you have it, my ultimate guide to experiencing Disney World on a budget. With some smart planning and these tips, you can enjoy the magic of Disney without overspending. Remember, the key is to prioritize what matters most to you and be strategic about your choices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow Disney fans, and drop a comment below with your favorite budget-friendly Disney tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and magical adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming and planning.